doing today is we're heading actually to the gym real quick. Got to get our gym pump in, of course. And I know it's been a while since I've posted. There's obviously been a lot of thought process in today's video. And if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, it's kind of been all over the place already. But as you know, it's pretty big news, and it's not the greatest of news that I wanted to let everybody know. But we're going to dive into that in a bit. Right now, we're going to get our pump in, and we're just enjoying the SI as she is right here. And SI gang. And just, yeah. So enjoy the noises as we keep driving here. You're gonna be deadlifting at your sister's house?
Yeah, they just got free weights.
Oh, what the heck? So today's chest day. We're gonna get some pump here. You already know. We over here with Mr. Anthony. Hey, you running? How much you running in the back now?
It's the same, 265, 35.
Oh, I thought you were running 295s before.
In the front.
Oh, in the fronts?
In the front.
Sheesh. We got the thick boys here. So it's been a while since you guys have seen the R. Should be looking mad nice. Anthony me looking mad thick. No, sorry. But we're gonna get our pump in. We'll go ahead and get to the whole basis of, you guys already know, with the SI. And what the hell are you doing? What the heck? I don't know what this guy's doing right now.
Yeah, I gotta make it small enough to fit around my neck.
Oh, calm down, this guy. But man, this may be the last time we see these two here together.
Dude, I really want to try deadlifting. I haven't done it yet.
He just got this belt too, guys. He just got this. All right, Anthony, you want to tell the camera what you did?
Huh?
What did you do? Why you filling up gas? I thought you just filled up gas. What happened?
Diesel swap. Oh shit.
Diesel. So this guy filled up already with a mixed blend, but he went a little over, so we're just filling up with a little bit more 91 just to even it out.
Literally, I went 1% over.
What?
I went 1% over.
Yeah, no, I feel it. So the little things you have to do when you blend.
I got the flex fuel, you know what it means.
Hey, whoa, what are you doing? Hey, don't put it in there. Put the handle in there, fool. I mean, yeah, we're fucking around, but you don't want to put the handle in there. Jeez, that was a close one.
Do you want to see how rich I am? Look at it.
Hey, chill. Literally,
dude,
0.4 gallons. That's all he put. Let's see if it did the job.
Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
guys kind of saw that little spontaneous run there. Honestly, super unexpected. Did not expect that ST to be as fast as it was. That for sure surprised me. I mean, we're both underdog cars, and that guy was definitely big turbo. You can definitely hear it. I don't know what full mods he had and how much power he's fully making, but he's definitely high and around, I want to say, almost the 4s for sure. Man, I wish I got the guy's IG. I'm gonna try and hunt and see if I can find him. I'm sure we can. But hey man, if you find your way to this video, those were some good runs. I know we didn't get too much of a solid run in there, but that was pretty sick. That was definitely pretty sick. We're just getting over to the spot right now, and man, I gotta say, you know, first and foremost, I haven't looked back at the footage just yet, but I hope that the footage was pretty good. I know that the mic may have just distorted under, you know, that type of wind speed for sure. But it was pretty cool to kind of get into those little runs real quick through Mexico. So yeah, if you find your way to this video, man, you know, good runs, good runs. Woo! At the R. So here we are, guys. Here we are in a moment that I didn't think we were ever going to come to. It has for sure been a crazy journey with this SI. You guys have followed me through all the downfalls, through everything that we've gone through, and honestly since the beginning of the SI era when the 10 gens first arrived. I'm glad to had so much fun with this build, to really bring out the underdog, to show people what these 1.5 liters are truly made of. And yes, we are here. You guys already know, yes, she is up for sale. I am actually selling the SI as is. We aren't parting out, because I know some people are going to assume that we're parting out. We're actually not doing that. If we don't find a buyer in time, we may part out. My goal is to hopefully sell her as is. Hopefully somebody can continue her legacy, because we have truly come a long way with this car. And we just recently put in the fully built block, as you guys already know. Has like less than 2,000 miles on it, so I've barely driven it. And you guys already know the whole thing is pretty much set and ready to go. So I'm not going to say too much in the details, because you guys know much about this build already. I'll probably just put most of it in the description below. But the main point of this video, and what I want to talk about with you guys, because I know there's a lot of followers here that have followed me for the 10th gen content, that have followed me to see more of this, to see us continue with this and get her into the 5s and or 500s, not 5 seconds. But yes, you know, I know we're cutting that legacy short, and we're doing something that I said I didn't think I would truly do. And the main reason being isn't because I feel like this platform was a failure and I feel like I'm over it, you know, because especially just after what you guys just saw, I still love this car. And I know that when I hand the keys off to the next owner who's going to take this, it's going to be heartbreaking. And I don't know if I can fully do it, but you know, we have to. This platform was an amazing platform. I loved it. I enjoyed it. It was actually the most fun platform I've ever had, and I've owned 2 cars prior to this, 2004 Lexus IS 300 and a 2014 IS 350F Sport. And who knew the Civic was going to bring more joy to me than I thought. On top of that, it's created many memories. I've made a lot of friends, a lot of fans, and a lot of you got SIs because of this build, which, you know, I'm super grateful for, that I can inspire and motivate others. I hope that those who have been falling for the 10th gen content, though, don't get too upset with me. You know, if you unfollow, I totally understand, but I hope you guys are still here to stay with me, because I'm obviously still here for the channel. And I hope you guys can continue to support me in the new endeavors and to the new project that we have moving forward. This platform was an amazing platform. I have no regrets whatsoever, and I had so much fun and joy with it. But we have to let her go, financially too, for myself, because in order for me to get to the next project, I have to sell it. And I can't afford both. I wish I could, but I really want to get into this new platform, which I think is going to be of great value to the channel, and it's going to be one of the most intense builds we're going to do on the channel for sure, compared to everything we've ever done. this Civic has proven and shown me that I have the capability to do a lot. And I never thought I'd get into a place where I'd build the motor, build the trans, and do all the things we have done with this car. I used to be that little kid that would walk around the car meets and think to myself, man, how do these guys do it? And then we ended up doing it. We big turboed this. Never in my life did I ever think I would own a car and do a big turbo and do any of this that we've done today. Never did I ever think we would be in the place we are in this channel because of this, you know? This car has great sentimental value. It has brought a lot of value to me and to the channel, and we are truly in the place because of this car. But I want to move forward. I want to get to the next thing, and in order to do that, we do have to let her go. And I promise you guys, the next thing that we do dive into is going to be of great value. It's going to be a pretty amazing build. I hope you guys continue to follow and continue to support and stay with me in that journey, because what we are going to be diving into next is going to be crazy. And I don't want to give any spoilers. I know I'm trying to keep it a surprise as much as possible. You guys can go ahead and make your guesses below, but just please understand where I'm coming from and know that I'm just trying to move forward and upgrade to something that will bring us to another level. So with that being said, I want to say thank you guys for following me with this journey. This was an amazing journey. I love this car still till this day, and man, I don't know. I'm trying to hold myself back right now. I never thought I would let go of this car. Never thought I would. This really holds value, and I know value, like my sentimental value, isn't worth anything, but I've always wanted to do what I do today, my dream job, and this platform has created it. And the people that I've met along the way, you know, everything in life happens for a reason. I believe in the law of attraction. Everything happens for a reason. And this car, it's funny because it's just a car, you know, I don't know why I'm getting so attached, but this car has created that for me, and it's brought us into this place. And letting it go is definitely not easy. I promise you guys, it really isn't. And it was a hard decision to make. I didn't want to do it. And it's funny because we still have it. I don't know why I'm acting like this right now, but I don't want to let it go. I don't. But I'm really excited for the next thing too. So thank you guys. You guys have motivated me, have helped me be a better version of myself along the way, and helped me push so much into that platform. And I can't thank you guys enough. And you know, I'm sure the SI can thank you guys too, because she is definitely a force to be reckoned with. And yeah. All right, well, I don't know what more to say. I just hope you guys understand. I hope you guys will support me in the next project, and you know, thank you guys for everything. Never thought I would make this video. Didn't want to really make this video, but here we are. So thank you guys. As always, family, you know, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, that. I'll give you guys one last walk around of the SI, and you know, we'll make another vlog once we fully hand off the keys and everything. But thank you guys. Thank you guys for everything. Let's get that let's get the walk around going.
Nate Goyard.
And it goes a little something like